related to another ad account. It's called Artsy Cases. So initially, this over here, it's basically where we sell Artsy cases. We sell iPhone battery cases, and it's you know, there's a good market for it. We sold a few here and there. We're mostly retail, so we took it online. I don't see anything wrong with the website. I don't see anything wrong with the product. Everybody loves the product that buys it. No complaints, no nothing. But for some reason, you know, if you look at last, let's say 30 days, right? Anything I ran did completely horrible. I don't know why. I don't know why it's not picking up. I don't know if it's a price point. At this point, I feel like it's just the product. You know, and the price point is not even expensive compared to competition. You know, I'm at a $65 range. So I'm not sure if at this point I exhausted all my resources and I spent, you know, a good amount, not one purchase in the last 30 days. So I was like, you know what, it's probably the product. So would you have any idea of what it might be from looking at this?
Well, there's definitely can of worms. There's a lot of different directions we could go here. But first thing that comes to mind is just click your columns and then hit performance and clicks. No, not that one. Performance and clicks. And then scroll over a bit. So, I mean, your frequency was pretty high there. Keep going over. All right, keep going, keep going. CPMs are above 20, keep going. Your click-through rates are horrible. Your cost per click is horrible. So it's the ads.
You think it's the ads?
No, it is the ads. You're paying $6.49 a click. Yeah, and what does the ad look like? I mean, if you're mentioning the offer in the ad, it could be in that.
It's pretty. It looks pretty. I mean, again, for me, it might look good, but obviously the numbers don't lie. I mean, here's the ads you can see for yourself, and I set them up kind of in the same structure that you showed me at first. I did I ran a collection, or ran a video, ran a single image. You'll see the ad in a moment. See here.
Does this site have any data?
Very light, like almost nothing, like as far as nothing.
Yeah, you might need to start with interest as well.
Well, I did. I'll show you now, and it did it bad too. You see, like these are the ads. I mean, this is a collection. I think it's pretty nice, catchy. Available for all iPhones. Introducing the new Artsy battery case for iPhone. iPhone Power Case 2.0, 5,000 milliamp battery. Order now, and then you got over here the video. I can slow that. The video is kind of the same thing. I did test different creatives before, and it was still bad results. So it's like.
Okay, next one.
They're pretty much the same ad structured differently.
Yeah, you definitely need different creatives and need and come up with more copy variations. It's certainly an ad issue.
Okay. Yeah. That's what
I would just go back and think about it again, launch some more copy variations, come up with some more ad image types and creatives, and then relaunch with interest.
Okay. Yeah, like you see here, this is the interest that I ran.
Yeah, I would just go back to the ads, look them all through, fix them, and then launch again.
Okay, we'll do then. I appreciate your time, and guess we'll recap on Wednesday if I have any other questions. Thank you so much.
Awesome. Thanks, Yazan.
Take care. Bye-bye.